Hey everyone, it's October 2022 here in our Central Texas Palm Gardens. I thought I'd walk you through and show you a little bit of what we've got growing in the gardens, just the different varieties of palms that we grow. So I'll start off, we've got some Livistona chinensis that's actually in ground. In fact, we've got more of it over here that's doing really well. Just to show you some of the palms that we grow in pots. So these are Pygmy date palms grown from seed. And then along this whole line, we have most of our fan palms. These are Washingtonia filibustas, so they're hybrids between the Washington robusta or Mexican fan palm and the Washingtonia filifera, the California fan palm. Here in Central Texas, it's actually pretty difficult to find sort of pure, true robustas or filiferas. You can get them, but generally most of what we'll find there are, because you do hybridize, but you can already see, kind of the difference with those cottony fibers that have a lot more of the filifera characteristics, and then we have some that are have more characteristic of the Washington robustas or the Mexican fan palms. There's a few more back here from as well too. Pan down, we've got some Bismarckia palms, so we do grow Bismarckias here as well too. We've got a nice Camarops humilis palm growing, and I believe this is Camarops humilis here as well too. Right next to it, we've got a Brahia. You can tell that nice, beautiful bluish kind of tint to them. Another smaller Brahia here as well. This is actually a saw palmetto, so a silver saw palmetto. And a variety of different kind of date palms that we grow. So we have the traditional just Phoenix date palms, so the edible date palms. We also have silver dates, which I believe that this one is. Yep, this is a silver date. And right next to it, we have a Canary Island date palm. If I pan over, we've got Sable Mexicana, with some queen palms. There's some more saw palmettos back here. And these are all different types of dates that I've got in here. So we've got a wide variety of different types of dates. A lot of just traditional Phoenix date palms. Pan over, show you. Most of what I've got in here are the Butea or Pindo palms, so jelly palms also known as. So jellies, these are some Washingtonia robustas, some Mexican fan palms. Right next to this are more of our Mediterranean fan palms or Camarops humilis palms. A few more hybrid Washingtonias, some small ones. This is our Sable Palmettos. So this is a Sable Palmetto palm. Right next to this, we've got some of our bananas. We've got a variety of different kinds of bananas. So Musa Bastu, which is these large ones here. There's some ice cream banana in there as well too, and some Pygmy bananas as well. Some Jubea chilensis palms. And then we got just a mixture of a bunch of different types in here. So we've got some Brahias in here. We've got some Sable minors. In fact, here's a Sable minor that's growing here as well too. So anyways, just gives you a little sense of some of the variety of different palms that we've got growing here in our Central Texas gardens. We have a pretty wide selection, a lot of different types of palms will grow here in our area.